Hey, welcome to Clara Crochets. I'm Clara, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a single crochet stitch using this yarn, which is Loops and Threads Soft Classic. It's an acrylic yarn, and it's medium weight number 4. I'm also going to be using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. First up, what I'm going to do is make a slip knot. If you don't know how to do this, I'd recommend going and watching that tutorial. Same with chains, because I'm going to get into the correct hand position, and then I'm going to chain 5. Once you've chained 5, I'm going to talk about how you know that this is actually 5. So all of your chains should look like a sideways V, like this. And if you look up close, they do. With this is the top loop, and this is the bottom loop, and this is the top loop, and this is the bottom loop, and this is the top loop, and this is the bottom loop, and so on. Now, to count how many chains you have, you're only going to count the top loop of each chain. So, for example, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know I have 5 chains. Now I'm going to get back into position. Oops. And I'm going to count 2 chains over. So 1, 2. And I'm going to put my hook under that second top loop, skipping the first one. Should look like this. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull through just the first loop, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. Oops. Made mine a little tight. And then you're going to repeat that, not crocheting into this big hole right here, because that is the hole that you just crocheted into for this last single crochet. You're going to crochet in the top loop of the chain next to it. So this one, you're going to stick your hook under that, yarn over, go through the first loop, yarn over again, go through both loops, and continue this for the rest of the stitches. Done with that, it should look something like this. But wait, if you count, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. That's fine, because we skipped the first chain from the hook and went straight into the second chain. Just chain 1 to make it 5, and then you're going to flip your work. And then you're going to skip the first chain from the hook and go straight into the second chain. You can repeat this across the row, and you can do this with as many foundation chains as you want, and for as long as you want. You can also try unraveling your work. So just pull on the string attached to the yarn ball, and it should be very easy. If it's not, I'd recommend rewatching this video. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!